Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I am beyond excited because today I will be opening the Jeffree Deluxe mystery box. And besides the mystery boxes, he also launched new lipstick design and all of that. I am super excited to open this box and what it has inside of it. If you want to see what this mystery box has, or if you've seen it already, you probably know, but this box has been sitting here for almost 5 days now. I want to open it here with you guys, so let's just go ahead and start this video. If you're curious to find out what's in this box, or if you know already but you still want to watch this video, then without any further ado, my loves, let's go ahead and start this video. So as you guys know, Jeffree Star, every Halloween season he comes out with mystery boxes, and this is my first time I am buying these mystery boxes, so this is very special for me. Besides the mystery box, I also got this 2 new lipstick that he launched. The shade I bought was Celebrity Skin and Naked Body, and so this is the box that I got on the mail, guys. It is huge. Like, look at this package. It's so huge. And again, Jeffree Star's packaging is always stunning. I think I'm gonna go ahead and open this baby and see how they look. So he created, as he mentioned in his video, he did a new design on this lipsticks, which I think that it's a really nice update. I never got to buy his old lipsticks, so this is my first time also looking, feeling, and trying on his lipstick. So this is the Velvet Trap lipstick, and the cool thing that I found about this lipstick is that when you open it up and you want to close it, it's just, it automatically snaps on, and I think that that is amazing because it's just a new design. I honestly haven't seen any design like this, so I really like that. And this lipstick, like, it feels heavier than other lipsticks that I've felt, and the color shade is a very cute. I like how the lipstick has like the Jeffree Star logo, and it's just a very cute and lovely lipstick. I think that the design, it looks expensive, it looks cute. And so now I'm gonna go ahead and open Celebrity Skin. So I'm also not going to throw the little boxes, as I do want to save it. Okay, so this is Celebrity Skin. I'm gonna go ahead and just apply it on my hand. So that's how it looks. I'm gonna also try Naked Body and just see the difference, because sometimes they look the same, but in reality they're not really the same. So this is Naked Body. So this is Naked Body and this is Celebrity Skin. I think that both of them look absolutely so pretty. This is more of a pink nude, and this is more like a brownish nude. I honestly can't wait to try this on because they look very nice, and I just want to know how they will feel on the lips. All right guys, so now I'm gonna go ahead and open the box. I think that this box includes one of his merch, because they did ask me on the website which size I want, and I said small, obviously, because I'm a small girl. So I think that it has one of his merch. So I'm opening it up right now. I never filmed this late, guys. What time is it? Right now it's like 6:36 p.m. and I just wanted to really open this and show you guys my reaction and stuff like that. It's just that I've been working, and usually at work I always go to work in the morning, so I don't have time to film in the morning, which I usually like because the sun is out. So this is how it looks inside. Now I'm gonna go ahead and remove the tissues. Alright guys, so I already opened the boxes and I could see that there's a merch in here. So this is a shirt, I'm guessing. Oh, and he also said that there's 2 exclusive things that he never made before. So I'm excited. I'm excited. So let me open this off. And this is a shirt for sure. Oh my god. This is a shirt, guys. This is so pretty, guys. I think this is one of the shirts that he never made before. Yep, it's a size small. You see? So this is a shirt that he never made before, definitely. This is how it looks in the back. It looks so pretty. Oh my god. I love the little painted design he has going on. Oh my god. This looks so pretty, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and change it. Let me see if it fits me. So I'll be right back with you guys. As you guys can see, I am wearing the shirt and it looks so pretty, guys. You can see his logo on here. It fits perfectly, it is comfortable, and the material feels expensive. Like, it's pretty, guys. I like it. All right, next, moving on. All right, so this is, I think I've seen this before. I think this is a highlighting powder, which he came out with the purple collection that he did with his palette, which I didn't get to buy because it's sold out. I think it's this one, Extreme Frost. Oh my god, I'm so excited. All right, so let me open it up. And first of all, this packaging looks huge. I never seen a big ass highlighter like this. I'm gonna go ahead and open this baby. Let's see. Oh yes, I knew it. This is the highlighter. The packaging though, oh my god, like, yo. Okay, so we got Extreme Frost, and honestly, this highlighter looks so pretty. Let me go ahead and swipe it. Look at that. That looks so pretty. Let me go ahead and apply it right here. Let me get my mirror. Whoa, that is stunning. Do you guys see that? That is stunning, guys. Like, if you are a highlight girl, if you love to highlight your face like me, this is for you. This is definitely for you. This is so pretty. So far, this is so worth it, guys. So worth it. And he also mentioned that this package is 55% off, so oh my god. So when you're done using your highlighter, you could put it back in this in this little box so that way it doesn't break, because I have some highlighters that fall apart and it's just a mess. So it's good to have this box to put your highlighter back in place. Alright, you guys, so I see a lot of small stuff right here. Okay, so we got the Velour lip liner, and this is in the shade Calabasas. Ooh, let me go ahead and open it up. And also, mind you guys, the only thing I bought from Jeffree Star is his palette, and besides that, his palette and his brushes. And besides that, I haven't bought anything, because honestly, even though I wish to buy them, they're kind of they're not expensive. I think that for the price point, they're really good price point. They're really good for the price point, because I think that it is worth every penny. Like, literally, it's worth every penny. But I can't really like afford all of his stuff, so sometimes I just have to go for stuff that I will find more useful, which are the palettes, and the palettes are also stunning. So Anyways guys, so this is the lip liner in the shade Calabasas, and I'm excited to try this. Oh, this is so pretty guys. I'm definitely using this for Thanksgiving. Definitely using this for Thanksgiving. Okay, so moving on, I see something black and grayish, which is this one. You guys probably know more than me. This is all new to me, like I said. Okay, so this, I think this is the one that he came with, the Cremated Palette, because obviously seeing this color reminds me of that. So let me open it up. And this is in the shade Widow. Yeah, I think this is from the Cremated Palette that he launched. Oh wow, look at this. It's so pretty, the packaging. Oh, okay, it's a lip balm, so it's not too dark, you know. So because I was scared, I was like, maybe it's too dark for me, but it's really nice. Let me apply it on my lips. Let's see how it looks. Okay, so the lipstick is very transparent. It's like a regular lip balm that you buy, so nothing to be scared about from this. Okay guys, so this is so pretty as well. I'm definitely putting this as my everyday lip balm whenever I go outside. And if people think I'm gonna put a black lipstick, they're wrong, because you know, I really love this. This is so pretty. So really love that. All right, next, let's see this. So this is a lip scrub. I've been wanting to buy lip scrub from him. I, again, never got the chance. So let's see how this baby looks. Okay. Ooh, this is so pretty. This is in the flavor Blue Raspberry Sucker. It feels heavy, it feels big. And the lip scrubs that I buy from Amazon, they're kind of smaller than this. No, they're definitely smaller than this. So let me open it up. It smells so good, guys. It smells so good. So this is how it looks. Hopefully you guys can see it. This is how it looks. Oh my god, I'm so duper excited to try this on tonight. I'm definitely trying this on tonight. So that's that. We got lip scrub. Let's see what else we got. So I think this is another lipstick. This is the Velour liquid lipstick. Ooh, and this is in the shade Weirdo. Oh, another black liquid lipstick. I think this is definitely going to be black. Let's see, let's try it. Yep. This is definitely black. I should have, maybe, should I wear this on Halloween? Because I'm gonna be a pirate. Do pirates have black lipstick? I have to research that. Because if they do, I'm definitely gonna wear this. Yeah. It's cute though, it's very pigmented. I could also use this as a liquid eyeliner, because why not? And the packaging also looks so beautiful. Again, I'm not even going to say how well this packaging is, because they're all gonna be beautiful for me. All right, next we have this. Ooh, this is the gloss. And this is in the shade Legends Only. Let's go ahead and open it up. Okay, so this is how this baby looks. It's, first of all, it is super cute. I love his design, and it looks so big as well. This is in the shade Legends Only. I think I already said that. This is how it looks. It looks very nude, very cute. Let me go ahead and apply it, because why not? Smells so good too. So good, guys. So far, guys, all of these products I am loving, like really loving. Alright, so how much stuff did we open? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Alright, you guys, so we already opened 7 things in this package, and I'm about to open the last one, which is right now I'm seeing it, it's huge. So let's see, what is this? I think it's a palette because I don't know, I might be wrong. Okay, so this is the last thing we're gonna open, guys. I know for a fact it's a palette, but I don't know which palette. All right, guys, I already saw the name. It's, oh my god, guys, look at this. Like, I'm literally about to cry because I remember thinking about getting the, like, I've been thinking about getting the blusher palette, and I was like, maybe I should not get it, maybe I should save up for the new launch. And to see this, guys, it's just amazing, guys. So this is the Blood Sugar palette. Oh my god, this is my first time holding this palette, guys. Wow, the Blood Sugar, guys. Whoa, it's very cute, guys. I'm sorry you guys hear my roommate, she has some visitors and it's also really late, so I'm very sorry for that. But let me go ahead and open it up. Oh my god, I'm so excited. OMG, guys, look at this. It's so pretty. Whoa, this looks so pretty, guys. I am super excited to try this palette. Oh my god. Some people say, maybe I'm like including me, like I thought that Jeffree Star never made a nude palette, and when I see this palette I see a lot of nude colors, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 nude colors in here. You see this, like all this on top, it's basically nude. Just at the bottom you have the reds going on. Here some nude and some pink and purple. So Jeffree Star low-key did a new palette. But overall, guys, oh my god, I am surprised that he even put this in the mystery box. It is absolutely so pretty. Okay, you guys, so that was my review, first impression in opening the Jeffree Star mystery box. And I think that the two exclusive things that he has never done before is definitely the shirt, and if I'm not mistaken, don't quote me on this, but I think it's the gloss in the shade Legends Only. If it's not this, it's probably this one, this lip balm, which I've never seen before, but maybe he did make this in the Cremated palette that he launched. So it's either one of this, because the other stuff that I show you guys, I'm positive that he already launched that. But thank you guys if you made it to the end. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching this review with me. I'm definitely going to do my makeup using this product, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, guys, without any further ado, my loves, I hope you guys have a wonderful, lovely day, and I'll see you guys in my next video.